Have you ever woken up feeling completely drained, like you didn't even sleep? Heavy head, no energy, and that drive you used to have, just gone. This isn't just fatigue. It's the body of many men over 60 crying out for something essential that's missing. And it's not motivation, it's nutrients. Yes, there's a direct link between the lack of key vitamins and the drastic decline in male vitality. According to recent studies, over 70% of older men are deficient in at least 2 crucial vitamins needed to maintain natural energy and performance after 60. And that affects everything: mood, muscle strength, sex drive, and even mental clarity. But here's the good news. There's a solution. A simple and effective one. All it takes is action. Let me tell you what my Uncle Tom did. At 67, he could barely get out of bed without pain, but after adding just one of these vitamins to his routine, he was back to walking 5 kilometers a day. It wasn't a miracle, it was science. And today, you'll discover what you can start doing this week to gain more energy, naturally boost testosterone, and take back control of your health after 60. And at the end of this video, I'll reveal a combination that amplifies the effects of all 3 vitamins, a small secret that can make a huge difference in your routine. So hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and stay with me till the end, because your body deserves this chance. Most men over 60 think their fatigue is just getting older, but it's not that simple. Waking up with no desire to get out of bed, feeling like your legs are heavy just climbing the stairs. This isn't just age, it's your body silently begging for help, and the more you ignore it, the worse it gets. This lack of energy is often followed by other losses men rarely talk about: physical decline, trouble focusing, even reduced libido. Things that used to come naturally now feel like a struggle. It's like your vitality is slipping through your fingers, and the worst part? It starts off so subtle, most men don't notice until they've hit rock bottom. That's when many fall into the trap of quick fixes, like energy drinks or miracle pills. But the problem isn't just low energy, it's the root cause behind it. A lack of essential nutrients is one of the most overlooked factors in men's health over 60. And when your body doesn't get what it needs, it simply slows down. Have you ever noticed that even after sleeping well, you still wake up feeling like you didn't rest at all? That's because your body isn't recovering properly. Without key vitamins, muscle repair, hormonal balance, and even your mood take a hit. And that directly affects your quality of life. But what if I told you there are natural ways to reclaim your energy and motivation? And it starts with something simple, accessible, and often forgotten: the right vitamins in the right dose. Most people don't talk about it, but the male body, especially after 60, works like a fine machine. If just one part is missing, everything starts to break down, and that missing piece is often essential vitamins. They don't just prevent illness, they fuel your vitality, regulate your hormones, boost your energy, and sharpen your mind. Without them, you lose your natural fuel. When these vitamins are missing, the effects can be devastating. Testosterone levels, for instance, naturally decline with age. But if your body is lacking in vitamin D, zinc, or magnesium, that decline accelerates, and along with it go your drive, your strength, and even your confidence. It's like trying to light a fire with wet wood. You try, but nothing catches. And what's worse, this deficiency might be happening even if you think you're eating well. That's because a mature man's body no longer absorbs nutrients the way it used to. And if your diet is weak or unbalanced, it all catches up faster than you think. That's why vitamins for older men aren't a luxury, they're a necessity. Missing parts of your engine. Think about it. A car might look great on the outside, but without oil, the engine seizes up. The body is the same. On the outside, everything looks fine, but inside, your system is struggling. That's why so many men live with chronic fatigue, random irritation, low productivity, and even weak immunity, without realizing they're just vitamin deficient. The good news? With smart, targeted supplementation, this can change fast. And better yet, increasing testosterone naturally without artificial drugs is completely possible, and it starts here. Next, we'll look at the first vitamin that can transform your energy, your bones, your mind, and your performance across the board. Vitamin D is called the sunshine hormone by many experts, and for good reason. It activates vital functions in the body, especially in older men. It strengthens bones, supports the immune system, and most importantly, plays a key role in testosterone production. And as you know, without testosterone, there's no vitality, no energy, and no male performance. Unfortunately, as we age, the body loses its ability to produce vitamin D efficiently. Even sunlight might not be enough. Studies show that many men over 60 are vitamin D deficient and don't even realize that's what's behind their aches, energy crashes, or even erectile issues. That's right, without vitamin D, the male hormonal system collapses. Have you noticed how some older men become fragile, get sick more often, or develop chronic muscle pain? It's not always age. Often, it's deficiency. And when it comes to long-term health, vitamin D is foundational. It boosts mood, protects the heart, and increases physical endurance. All crucial if you want to age with quality. Here's a practical tip. If you live in an urban area and spend most of your time indoors, get your vitamin D levels checked. And if needed, supplement with medical guidance. The difference can be felt in weeks. More energy, less pain, more stability. It's a natural upgrade for your body. And it works even better when combined with other strategic nutrients, like the next one on our list. A powerful mineral that supports sexual health, fertility, and natural energy levels. If vitamin D is the sun, zinc is the shield. It protects, strengthens, and activates the essential functions of the male body. Zinc is absolutely crucial for testosterone production, sperm quality, immune response, and even healing. That's why its absence slowly drains men of their energy and vitality after 60. One of the first signs of zinc deficiency is a drop in libido. Many think it's mental or just aging, but really, the body lacks the raw materials needed to produce hormones that keep performance going. Zinc also protects the prostate, regulates metabolism, and helps keep skin and hair healthy. It's one of those quiet vitamins, but essential. Did you know that one stressful event can deplete your body's zinc? Or that diets high in processed foods and low in real nutrients make it even worse? Most older men have no idea how vulnerable they are, and the worst part? They think it's normal to always feel tired, get sick, or have sexual problems. It's not normal, it's zinc deficiency. Powerful tip, eat more zinc-rich foods like lean red meat, pumpkin seeds, nuts, and eggs. But in many cases, that's not enough, especially if you're already feeling symptoms. Supplementing can be a game changer. Many men report better sex drive, focus, and even sleep in just 30 days. And the best part? When zinc is combined with one more mineral, your body enters a new level of hormonal balance. A mineral that helps you relax, sleep better, and stabilize your mood, all key to keeping your vitality high. That mineral is magnesium. It may be quiet, but it's absolutely essential. Most men don't realize how much it affects sleep, stress, and even hormone levels. Without magnesium, your body stays in a constant state of tension. That drains your energy, breaks down immunity, and weakens your entire system, especially after 60. Have you felt your heart race for no reason? Random irritation? Trouble relaxing at night? These are classic signs of low magnesium. It helps regulate neurotransmitters like serotonin, promotes muscle relaxation, and triggers natural testosterone production. A tense, stressed, poorly rested body simply doesn't make hormones. Magnesium deficiency is one of the most common worldwide, especially among men over 60. That's because processed food, medications, and aging itself make absorption harder. The result? A vicious cycle. More stress, more fatigue, less energy, and lower performance across life. But there's hope. Foods like leafy greens, avocado, banana, and nuts are great sources. And often, simple supplementation brings big changes. Better sleep, better mood, and even faster recovery after light activities. A man who sleeps well and feels less stress is stronger, sharper, and more alive. And when you combine magnesium, zinc, and vitamin D, your body reaches a powerful state of synergy. But it's not just about taking them randomly. To truly feel the effects, you need to pair them with a smarter lifestyle. Vitamins are powerful, but only when combined with intentional habits. For men over 60, balance is the secret, and it starts with quality sleep. Deep sleep is when the body regenerates, produces hormones, clears toxins, and secures memory. With magnesium, that kind of sleep becomes possible again. Movement is another pillar. Not heavy workouts, just daily walks, stretching, swimming, even gardening. These improve circulation, boost mood, and support natural testosterone. When your body moves, it knows it must perform, and it answers with energy and vitality. Add the right vitamins, and the results multiply. Then comes food. Replacing ultra-processed items with real foods, fruits, veggies, eggs, seeds, and lean protein, improves nutrient absorption and reduces inflammation. A zinc and magnesium-rich diet creates the ideal environment for your supplements to work. Plus, it helps with weight and blood sugar control, crucial at this stage of life. Here's the exciting part. Small changes bring huge transformations. Sleep 30 minutes earlier, walk 20 minutes daily, drink more water, avoid sugar at night. Combine that with the right vitamins, and your energy and quality of life can skyrocket. It's not about going extreme, it's about consistency and awareness. But one detail matters. Not every vitamin out there delivers. Many are generic, low absorption, and weak. And that's why you need to be smart before buying any supplement. Most men grab the first multivitamin off the shelf when they feel tired. Better something than nothing, they think. But most generic supplements do nothing, or worse, interfere, because their absorption is almost zero. They're packed with minimal doses, just enough to say it's there. But your mature body needs high-quality, targeted, bioavailable nutrients. It's not about what's on the label, it's about what gets absorbed. Like putting bad fuel in a luxury car. It may run, but you'll feel the damage. Another mistake? Overloaded formulas with 30+ ingredients that cancel each other out. It's a guessing game. And for older men, that's dangerous. Your body needs focus. Supplements designed to restore energy, strengthen immunity, and balance hormones. So always choose clean, science-backed formulas made for men 60+. Go with trusted brands, solid reviews, and expert-recommended products. A strong dose of vitamin D, zinc, and magnesium will do far more than a weak mix of 30. Less is more when it's done right. Now that you know the 3 essential vitamins and how to integrate them into your life, here's the final question. What will you do with this information? Will you wait like most, or take a bold step toward better health and vitality? The choice is yours, and so are the results. Remember, you don't have to accept fatigue as normal. You don't have to live with poor performance. Your body is asking for help, and now you have the map to answer that call with simple, natural, effective actions. Start today. Rethink your food, take care of your sleep, move your body, and reinforce your foundation with the right vitamins for men over 60. This decision could bring back the energy, confidence, and power you thought were gone, but were actually just waiting for you to wake them up. And if this video helped you, subscribe now. You'll find more practical, eye-opening content made just for men who want to live strong and fully, even after 60. Hit the notification bell, because the next video might be exactly what you need to transform your health for good. You made it this far. That shows commitment. Now it's time to act. Because vitality isn't about age, it's about attitude.